It's so great to see all these faces. My name is Cassandra Carothers. I'm honored to co-host this year's Family Offices and Investors Summit at New York Climate Week. I'm the managing partner of a VC firm called Departure Capital, based in San Francisco, investing in science and engineering-based innovations that build existential resilience across planetary rejuvenation, critical and industrial infrastructure, as well as human health. It truly is an honor to be here with all of you today during New York Climate Week, at a moment when the world's eyes are on this city. With the UN General Assembly in session, as I'm sure you've seen from all the blocked off sidewalks, global leaders are gathering in our midst, debating, negotiating, and confronting the climate challenge in real time. We gather in a time of immense complexity and even greater possibility. Around the world, national and international climate policy is in flux. We hear calls increasing for legal accountability. We see courts like the International Court of Justice affirming that nations have a duty under international law to limit greenhouse gas emissions and protect a stable, healthy environment. Here in New York City and across the US, we are seeing that even where government policy lags, private markets, philanthropic leadership, entrepreneurs, and financial institutions are stepping up. Despite shifts in federal climate priorities, this year's Climate Week is set to break records, driven by corporate participation, grassroots action, and capital flowing towards climate innovation. That's what brings us together today, the belief that private capital can and must play a decisive role, not just in filling gaps, but in accelerating innovation and in driving systems change. From clean energy and synthetic biology to adaptation technologies and industrial decarbonization, the solutions being built now are the ones that will define the next decade and beyond. This summit convenes an extraordinary group. Look around the room. Over 300 visionaries, including family offices, private investors, limited partners, general partners, entrepreneurs, and climate tech pioneers, representing well over $20 billion worth of committed capital toward decarbonization and deep tech solutions. You are the people driving systemic solutions to global issues. We are entering an era of unprecedented opportunity, not just to generate wealth, but to shape legacy. The investments made by the people in this room have the potential to rewrite the climate story. Throughout the day, you'll hear from global leaders reimagining energy, cities, supply chains, and financial systems. You'll witness the convergence of climate science and artificial intelligence and explore how this intersection is transforming asset allocation strategies, industrial policy, and cross-border partnerships. This isn't just a summit or a party. It's a movement driven by those who believe in long-term value, in intergenerational stewardship, and in accelerating the transition to a more resilient, equitable, and sustainable world. So thank you for being here, for leading, and for believing. Let's make it count.